Aircraft manufacturers' process explanation. Aircraft manufacturers typically follow a complex process when building aircraft, typically involving many different steps. 1. Design. The first step in building an aircraft is to design the aircraft. The designer must consider many variables including size, weight, payload, flight envelope, etc. The designer must also consider the operating environment, regulations, and customer requirements. 2. Documentation. After the design is complete, the aircraft must be documented. This includes creating drawings, loading diagrams, weight and balance, FAR documentation, and other important documents. 3. Manufacturing. The next step is to manufacture the components of the aircraft. This includes machining, welding, assembly, and painting. 4. Testing. After the aircraft has been manufactured, it must be tested. This includes static and dynamic testing, as well as environmental testing. 5. Certification. The final step is to certify the aircraft. This involves checking all of the paperwork, making sure that the aircraft meets all safety requirements, and obtaining FAR approval. Once the aircraft is certified, it is ready to be shipped to its customer and begin its service life.